Good morning and a happy new year to you all, and what a start to the new year it has been. We have watched worrying scenes from Washington at the failed insurrection and attack on democracy at Capitol Building. Here we are being reminded of some of the horrific treatment of women in our country's recent past. And here we are back in lockdown. And while many of us had expected an increase in COVID-19 cases after the Christmas season, we perhaps didn't expect such a perilous and worrying increase. Each lockdown is, of course, different depending on many factors such as the time of year, the weather, our personal circumstances, and so on. The closure of school buildings this time round brings with it challenges for students, teachers, management and parents. There will no doubt be concern about getting through the necessary schoolwork and uncertainty over exams. You'll be missing seeing your friends. You are perhaps missing all the extracurricular activities. Two things that I suggest you bear in mind. Firstly, as I speak with colleagues and friends who have children in different schools, you as students are blessed in the teachers that you have. All teachers in every school are no doubt doing their best with the resources available to them. But from what I hear and observe, you are experiencing some of the best. Secondly, we will come through this lockdown as we have the others, in the knowledge that our actions now are keeping ourselves and others safe, and in the hope of brighter things to come. And there are brighter things to come. We've got to hold on to this hope, even on the darker, more difficult days. And nature helps us with this. There is definitely a stretch in the evenings. Snowdrops are appearing. Birdsong is audible in the mornings, each reminding us that we are on the approach to spring, a season of new life and hope, a reminder that the earth renews again and again, a reminder that life itself does not remain the same indefinitely. Let's say the Lord's Prayer together. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.